Zappity doo. All right, we're going to take this prompt that I have pre-prepared. And if you're watching this and you have no idea what's going on, well, not much. We stood up a new Waaseyaa app. Everything's been done through Codex. This is the Waaseyaa app default page that comes with it. This is the repo of the app that we're standing up. It's got two commits, the initial commit, and then we added a story entity type, an access policy, a provider, sorry. Story service provider. Why don't we just look at the commit? If that's your thing. Updated the get ignore, composer. There's the story, there's the service provider. That would have been easier, just show it to you side by side. Very simple. Story entity type has a that's published. Here it is, an ID, otherwise known as a machine name. There's the title. This is if it's published or not, so it's like a status. There's the title, there's the body, there's the source URL, because we took this story and jammed her in. But anyway, let's get on with it. It'd be nice to be able to interact with that entity, that story, in the browser. I do not expect this to work. It's been we're in alpha here, alpha 222, Waaseyaa alpha 222, which you, by the way, can find at waaseyaa.org. And that, that's that. That's that. Get rid of that. All right, so we got a brand new prompt, and this is going to try to get the admin spa going, which, as I said, I don't think will work. It's been too long since I've worked on it, and I'm sure it's way out of date. What's it saying here? I'll use the browser control skill so I can verify the admin screen myself before you record. Well, I'm recording now. That prompt on the left was generated by Claude Cowork. I've tried to set it up so I don't have to sit here trying to concentrate on what to type and what to decipher. So it's kind of like, I'm going to do this. I mean, the agent is saying, I'm going to do this, and this is what happened. So where's it at now? It started with the browser control skill because the admin spa is the human interface for the back end, which is what I want to show you, which I'm already saying is probably not going to work, and there's no reason for you to watch this video, but I'm recording it anyway because this is building in public. And I guess that's about it. Enough of the preamble. Testing the min URL. Let's try to catch up with what it's doing, actually. I'm checking the local server is still running. I'm checking the built-in account commands. I'm looking for an existing admin account. There is no account yet. I'll create a simple admin login for the demo. I found the package admin app, and now I'm creating the demo administrator account with the built-in user command. So it's using the CLI and the Waaseyaa command with the user create sub command, and then it's creating a demo account, demo email, demo admin password, administrator role, and then it's verifying that the user was created. So right there, that's the list. I gotta work on these warnings here another time. So at least that worked. It created a user account from the command line. What else? The admin page. I found the admin app route, and now I'm checking the login endpoint details so the browser can sign in normally. The admin page is present, and I'm checking the sign-in request. I'm narrowing the admin app's network calls so I can tell whether sign-in is wired correctly. So it's having some problems. Some of this is due to just, like I said, it's buggy, it's alpha. Some of it is due to I don't normally work in Windows directly, usually in a VM like WSL2 provides, or sometimes a Hyper-V VM. Story is visible in the admin navigation, and now I'm opening it to confirm the entry list and edit form work. I don't know what browser. It must be a headless browser it's using. I was hoping it was going to pop something up. So it's like, let's see here. What's this? I don't know. It's assigning a invoke web request to the U. Timed out. It's having troubles. Let's try to peep in on this URL in this browser. Theoretically, we should get kicked to a login screen, but maybe nothing. Nothing. Oh, there's something. We do not have access, I'm guessing. I'm hoping that's why it's saying it's not returning any entities. We got an empty array right there. How is this thing doing? The restart did not answer cleanly, so I'm reading the logs and process state before continuing. Yeah, this is pretty dirty. It is quite messy. We're going to have to clean that up on the next pass. Well, I can probably tell you right now, it needs, like, I use Franken PHP to serve the many requests that come in now with modern server-side events and such. The 8-bit return story, but 0 entities. So it just got to what we saw on the browser. The edit endpoint is denying access. So I'm checking the access rule to see whether there's an account issue or an admin surface gap. Yeah, it's pretty rough. This prompt was supposed to have a fail fast break, a fail fast rule or whatever instruction, but no, I intended it to. Since it should have, it was supposed to. I mean, I'm rebuilding only the package discovery cache, so the running admin app sees the current framework policies. I'm restarting the app after the cache refresh, so the admin process uses the current provider list. It's really trying. Might just have to stop it instead of burning through tokens. I'm checking the refreshed admin endpoint one more time before deciding whether the dry run can continue. Stop before the take. See, we did not succeed. Oh, see, it did have I guess it wasn't quite a fail fast, but it says it concluded with, I did not improvise around the admin UI per your instructions. Yeah, the standing instruction is don't try to work around any of the framework bugs or gaps or anything like that, which normally it would do. It would just build its own system instead of saying, hey, the framework needs work. So with that being said, see you later.